No, I mean, this is the question portion of the show. Everybody get your questions ready. I'm coming around. No, I just... Go ahead, what?
I agree.
First of all, you're in the wrong, but I'm letting it happen. What's happening? You agree with what?
He's an actor.
Yeah. Leo is an amazing actor, yeah.
I personally think so.
Yeah.
But he's also helping in so many good causes.
He's helping in so many good qualities. Causes.
At least from my foundation.
You have a foundation? Do they know you're this drunk? What's your foundation? It's just ruinashow.org if you want to send some money. We got getrealdrunkonathursday.net.